What's going on, people? My name is Jack. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about how to grow a YouTube channel in 2023. We're breaking down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 key elements of starting your own YouTube channel. I'm going to break down things that have worked for me, things that can work for you as well, and things you do not want to miss when starting your own YouTube channel to ensure you guys actually have the best shot at this and get the most success. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. I myself have been a YouTuber for quite some time. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars on this platform. I've been invited to speak at multiple schools within the country that I live in, England. I have, met subscribers in the street. They've run into me in the mall, and I've taken pictures with them and been recognized in public. I've also been sent 5 figures in free products. Companies can't wait to send you products, and I've done a bunch of sponsorship deals and endorsement deals with various different companies. And I've actually launched my own company, Video Production Plus, which we're actually doing a very extensive hours and hours and hours of content as part of our YouTube bootcamp. So I say that to say this: I've played my part on YouTube. I've done the YouTuber journey, and I've learned a lot along the way. I'm going to break that down to you guys today. Step number 1 is going to be setting up your channel. This is obviously a relatively entry-level information, so let's just kind of cover this, right? Name and branding literally doesn't matter. Pick whatever name you want. People get stuck on this all the time. Creating a profile and adding artwork. People, again, they might not upload for 3-4 weeks because they're trying to get the perfect banner and the perfect picture. Again, doesn't matter. Set up a channel, get yourself a nice picture, a nice selfie, whatever the case may be. Stage number 2 is creating content. Identifying a niche you want to focus on is something that will make things easier. Niche makes it easier because you're constantly creating content about the same topic or the same genre, which means YouTube eventually figure it out, and they figure out which audience to serve your content to, and then it gets very easy. The snowball effect kicks in. YouTube has figured out what content you make. They figured out what viewership to serve it to. Boom. That can't happen unless you're creating consistent content about a specific topic. Business, for example, or video editing, for example. There's a niche behind the channel, and I assure you that will help you build a consistent viewership, and it helps YouTube and the algorithm's job. It makes their job a lot easier. In fact, we just uploaded the algorithm part of the YouTube bootcamp today. That's going up today, and we touch on that very extensively. So there's a lot of content over in Video Production Plus if you want to come join us. We've got a very extensive YouTube bootcamp happening as we speak. Next up, we're talking about content ideas. You've got a niche, right? You've decided upon a niche. You want some content ideas. One of the quickest ways to do this is to look at the other people in your niche. So identify 5 big creators in your niche, and you want to subscribe to them and use them as a point of reference. Not to copy them, not to word for word steal their script from the video they just uploaded 10 minutes ago. You upload it 11 minutes later. You don't want to do that. You want to look at what are the topics that the people in your niche are clearly showing interest in. The big YouTubers who you follow, or the other people that you choose to identify as competition potentially, what things are working for them. That's going to give you ideas for yourself. Maybe you're a gaming channel. Maybe you're a vlog channel. Those specific creators that you're looking at are going to give an idea of the trends in your niche, of the, say you're a gaming creator, the games you want to be playing in your niche. There's trend that takes over YouTube, or a new wave that takes over YouTube, and you want to be aware of that. For example, the video editing niche that I'm in, because I obviously follow the same tactics I'm teaching you guys, that's what's helped me succeed on YouTube. I noticed that AI video editing is a big trend. So sweet. That's a new topic this year. It's working for other people in my niche. We start putting out videos talking about AI video editing as well. Awesome. That's a new niche. That's a new type of content in my niche. I identified it through looking at what others are doing. I also can use amazing tools like vidIQ, and I can have a look at the interest in these tools. I would definitely suggest everyone to check out vidIQ. If you're in Video Production Plus, we did a live SEO example breaking down exactly how we've ranked videos to get 8 million plus views, and made tens of thousands of dollars off vidIQ alone. So there's some extensive stuff in VP Plus, but let's keep on going with the free content here on this channel. At this point, we've set up a channel, right? Done all the stuff that I said doesn't really matter too much, like the picture and all that kind of stuff. Then we've done some stuff that does matter, picking a niche and starting to identify content that you want to upload in that niche. Now we're talking about actually uploading the content itself. Again, you've identified topics that are working. You've ideally gone over and used vidIQ, maybe even joined VP Plus and had a look at, hands-on demos of how to use vidIQ. You've recorded a video. You might have already recorded a video. You want that video to stand the best chance of succeeding when it goes out. So uploading content, what's important? First, you need the viewer to click. You need to put time into a thumbnail, right? You need to make a thumbnail that's nice. Search in your topic on YouTube. Search your title. Have a look at the top 3 thumbnails that are there. What are the top 3 rankings on the search result? A safe strategy is pick the one that got the most views. That thumbnail clearly works the best. Recreate it and put your own spin on it. Take the exact same picture, right? Edit it in a similar way on Photoshop, right? Watch a couple tutorials if you need to. Boom, we have a free Photoshop masterclass that'll teach you all the skills you need to do that. That's not even something paid like VP Plus. That's just a free course. Make sure they're clicking, thumbnail. Then you want to make sure your content's engaging, so you need to be keeping editing in mind. We talked a lot about editing, so I won't repeat the same info. In the last YouTube mastermind video, I think it was how to edit YouTube videos in 2023. So feel free to watch that video when this one ends, and that will give you some good information on tactics for video editing, things you want to make sure to include, things you want to make sure not to include to lose people's attention as well. Establishing a consistent upload schedule is going to be something that is crucial to growing the channel. Sticking to it as well is something that creates consistency for YouTube. YouTube knows, sweet, this guy's putting out 3 videos a week. This girl's putting out 3 videos a week. Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday. That's when I put my videos out. Sweet, there's some consistency. The viewers also get into a pattern, whether it's conscious or subconscious, that those videos pop up at those times of the week, and you have some continuity going. That's just consistency. It also helps you as much as it helps, the viewers to constantly have content popping up on similar times. The algorithm knows when to push it. You also have room to take your long form content and start building out loads of short content to fill those other days of the week as well. So your channel has constant content that's being pushed out. But establishing a consistent upload schedule is something that I would advise you all to do. Developing relationships with other creators as well is very important. Cross promotion is something that helped me a lot in my early days when I was making gaming content. It was great. We would always cross promote. We would always, play games together, whatever the case may be. Now your audience is seeing me. Now my audience is seeing you. Sweet. That's something that happens. I'm personally about to do a big collab with Sayuja Gupta. Huge guy on Twitter in the video editing space. I love this kid, young entrepreneurial kid who's blowing up on Twitter right now. Absolutely blowing up. We're privileged enough to have him in Video Production Plus doing lessons for the people in there as well about personal branding. And me and him are working on some very cool cross-promotion things that can leverage our 2 audiences. My audience might not know about him. His audience might not know about me, but we both have an audience in the video production niche. Sweet, we can collab, and we're both going to gain off of that. You should be looking for similar opportunities in your niche as well, because that's a way to gain exposure from another audience. His audience knows you, her audience knows you, your audience knows him, your audience knows her. Boom. It's cross promotion. And believe me, this is crucial for growth. We talk about networking a lot in Video Production Plus, especially YouTube friendship groups and how those are very powerful for you as well. We're talking about that in the boot camp. Monetizing your channel. So understanding YouTube's policies and guidelines, you need 4,000 hours of watch time and 1K subscribers to be eligible to, get your channel monetized. Cool. No way around that. For YouTube ads, you need 4,000 hours and 1K subs. Go get it, then you can actually run ads on your channel. However, there's many different other angles to make money on YouTube. Some of them you can tap into before you're even monetized, before you even have ads. What are those? You can make money sooner through sponsorships. If you have a niche, for example, video editing, like I said, when a company comes and, pays you $1,000 or $800 or whatever the case may be, simply to mention a product in a video, awesome. You don't want to take them all. If, a super unbrand friendly product comes to you, you probably want to turn that down. I've had very weird companies come to me. I've also had gambling companies, various different things that might not make sense for my niche, despite them wanting to give me a hefty check. That's up to you to vet those and take them or not take them based on your own personal preference. But sponsorships can be huge. Affiliate deals can be huge as well. Hey, we're not going to give you a flat out check, but if you promote this, Envato Elements, for example, cool. You're going to get a piece every single month if people sign up through your link. Awesome. Or also, you build your own product. You know, you actually build your own business, your own product off the back of your audience, similar to what we're doing over in Video Production Plus. You create a value add that makes sense for the viewer, something they get value from, and a price that's fair that they want to come and pay you to get access to that value. So that's also a few different angles. And then, of course, right, utilizing the partner program, get partnered and earn cash is something that is a, you know, no-brainer. Eventually that will happen for your channel, but it's not something you want to focus on at first, and you really need to hit those quotas of 4,000 hours watched and 1K subs to even get in the door, right? That right there is the end of the video. This has been how to start a YouTube channel in 2023. We've talked about setting up your channel, creating content, uploading content, growing your channel, monetization, and I can't wait to hopefully see a bunch of you guys joining Video Production Plus, because we have an extensive YouTube bootcamp happening over there. It's on pace to be over 5 hours. We've already uploaded the first hour of content. That's only the first 2 episodes. There's 10 episodes in total. The 3rd episode goes up tonight. And yeah, I hope to see all of you guys over there. Video Production Plus, it's going to be an epic year. The content section is just one of many sections. We're really trying to make this the hub for all video creators to gain value from, and I'm sure you will too. Thank you guys. I'm getting texted right now. Thank you guys for tuning in. Have a nice day, and I'll see you in VP Plus. Peace.